No way! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Whoa! Boys, where are we going? Huh? Are we going up there?
We're going to watch the
Gonna see the backhoe?
Backhoe.
Okay. Alright. Let's go see backhoe. Hi son, we made it. What do you see? Backhoe. Okay, let's take a look. Whoa! Really cool. Whoa. Uh-oh, what's he doing? No way. Oh my God, look at that. El Lorenzo, look. Whoa! Say goodbye to the house. Uh-oh. Oh man, we got good timing, man. No way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah! Whoa! El Lorenzo, Logan, what do you think?
Yeah. They're destroying the house. Oh, look.
What do you guys think? Cool, huh?
It's cool.
El Lorenzo. There's El Lorenzo. Got front row seats. I got good footage.
Oh, nice.
Oh, here it comes again.
Here we go.
Here we are.
Over here,
Backhoe still going at it. There's Lolo. He's having a good time watching too. Kids are still eating their corned beef. Yeah. Good job, you guys. Okay. There's the big recycling truck. Ready? 2, 2, 3.
Whoa! Wow, look at that! Whoa!
Oh man, good show, good show.
1, 2, 3. Wow! Big man! Wow! No more house. The house is gone, Logan. No more house. Backhoe baby. Yeah.
Backhoe live in action.
Wow, look at that.
Say bye-bye to the house.
No more house.